Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to attempt in this video to recreate this style, and I am featuring Trendy Turbans. So if you've ever heard of this turban brand, they're really unique because they're not like your typical turban. They almost come like a hat, and you kind of do your own thing with the turban itself into whatever style you want. That's what makes it really different than your typical type of turban. But I'm going to attempt to recreate this because this took me like a good while. I'm not even gonna lie, it took me some time to try and like maneuver it into the way I wanted it to be because I had to mess around with it. And I actually have another turban underneath this, and you'll see it in a second. But whatever, enough talking, we're gonna get into it, so keep watching. Alrighty, so you can see my hair looks a hot mess. Yes, this is my hair. You see how much growth I have? I know I look crazy right now, please do not judge me. But I actually blew out my hair because I wanted to see how it was gonna look with perm rods, but I'm kind of lazy now to do it, so I'm just gonna save it for another time. But enough explaining why I look the way I look. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, I actually have this like little headband thing to kind of keep it in place, well, my hair in place. It's not going nowhere, but you know what I mean. Just so I could have like everything confined upwards, if that makes sense. Okay, then this is the other turban. So I'll show you in the black one just so you guys can see it as I'm doing it, but basically this is the turban, and then you kind of put it on your head and you wrap it the way you want. But I'm going to just roll this one up and kind of put it in the center of my head, just like this, right? Then I'm gonna get my other turban. Now this turban from Trendy Turban. Now these turbans from Trendy Turban, they're so cool because they kind of have like the their tag on the back, so you kind of have a direction of like where you want to place the cap so you never get confused. And it has like this open pocket area, you can see, and that's where you put your head. So it's like super cool because it's a cap and then you kind of like do your own thing. So I'll show you guys. Gonna attempt to put this back on my head. Right, now I'm gonna get the cap and I'm just gonna put it over my head like so. I am now going to hold this like so and kind of bring it to the front. Now that I've done that, I'm just gonna take these two and kind of cross it over each other like so. And I'm gonna do it again, like that. And then once I have it, now I'm gonna flip it back this way. And then now in the back, I'm just gonna flip it. And kind of put it towards the front. Mess around with it a little bit. Alright, so that's it for this look. So, you know, if you want to rock it like this, you can do that, leave it alone. But I kind of want to do something else. So I'm going to use the one that I have on the inside plus this together. I'm going to try and do it like a double kind of style and see what we get out of it. So let's do it again. Okay, so I have my two turbans. I'm just going to use like an old, well, it's not really old, it's a new shirt, but I'm too lazy to go get a scarf right now. So I'm gonna use a shirt, regular shirt, and I'm just gonna kind of bunch it up and do the same thing I did before, kind of just bloop, bloop. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the black one on first because I kind of want to switch it up a bit. So now I'm gonna put this one on top of it. So now you have both, right? So I kind of just like put one in front of the other, like so. And then I'm gonna leave this one like how it is, hanging. So now I have like a crisscross. So now you're gonna see it kind of just mix in together. So same process, you kind of just overlap, tucking in right like that. And then I'm gonna just twist it one more time. So now that I have it double twist, right? Nose is itching. Kind of just continue to fix it the way you want it to be, making sure it's showing your baby hairs a little bit, however you want it to be. And then you're just gonna turn it inward like that. So now you have it like this. And you want it to be a little bit tighter, so you're gonna, same way how you doubled it in the front, you're gonna double it in the back as well. And now you're gonna kind of just put your hand through it like so. Hold this part. So now you kind of just mess around with it, shape it into the way you want it. Alrighty guys, well thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will make sure to put the link for this turban in the description area so you guys can get one for yourself. And I hope you guys will watch my next video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.